Okay, so this week we are learning all about doing our one more and one less in our maths. So I thought I'd just show you what it looks like, and I've got a little friend for you to meet. This is Elvis the elephant, and he's going to be helping us later on. But first of all, I've got some numbers here that I've put in order. So I want just to check that they're in the right order, and I want you to have a look for me, and we'll make sure that we're counting at the same time. Okay, so let's have a look. If I pick this camera up, should be able to see. So here we've got our numbers. So let's start from the beginning. What number do we always start with? We always start with 0. Well done. That's our lovely STEM sentence there. Okay, are we ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Did they all look okay so far? Oh, Elvis, what's wrong? Something's wrong with my numbers. I thought I put these all in the right order. Maybe we could go through them again and just double check. Okay, this time could you try doing it in a squeaky mouse voice for me? Are we ready? What number do we always start with? We always start with 0. Off we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, Elvis is telling me this isn't number 6. It's not number 6. Where is number 6 then? Oh, look. Can you see? I've muddled up number 6 and number 9. So let's pop those the other way around. Let's try that. So Elvis is telling me that 6 goes there and 9 goes here. Who would have thought? Okay. All right, let's try from 0 again and make sure they're all in the right order. And this time let's do it in a grumpy voice. Are we ready? What number do we start with? We always start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, great job. Well done. So my numbers are all in the right order. Well done. Can we count backwards from 10 now? Are we ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You guys are amazing at your counting. Well done. So that's so good. All my numbers are in the right order. That's really good to see. Now, Elvis is going to be helping me in a second, but I've also got some counters here just to help me, and I should have 10 counters in total as well. So let's just check that I've got 10 counters, and I'll put them into my hand as we do it. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So I know that I've got my 10 counters there. That's brilliant. So when we are doing our one more, that is the number that comes next in my number. So if I start with number 2, what do we think is 1 more than 2? Well, I could do that in my head, but actually I need to know what it looks like first. So I'm going to make sure that I use my counters to help me. So I might know that the answer is 4, and I just need to just double check with the counters because I could actually be wrong. Because what do you think, Elvis? Do you think 1 more than 2 is 4? Well, Elvis thinks that I'm wrong, but I know that I'm right because I'm the teacher. So 1 more than 2 I think is 4, but if I make sure and I count with my counters, I can make sure that I'm right. So first of all, I need to make sure I have 2 counters. So let's put those out on my hand. So 2 counters. 2 counters. So there's my 2, and I need to add in 1 more. How many have I got now? I know that the answer is 4, but what can you see? That's wrong. I'm wrong. Elvis, they think I'm wrong as well. Maybe I should count them to make sure. 1 more than 2. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 1 more is... Oh no, it's 3. Silly Mrs Wolfe, she got that one wrong. Just as when I had my counters here to help me to work it out. Okay, let me try another one. Okay, Elvis, what number should I go for next? This one. Okay, Elvis is telling me to go for number 6. Well done. Okay, so 6. And I need to do 1 more than 6. So I need to make sure I've got 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if I add 1 more, what do you think my answer will be? Okay, I need to use my counter to make sure that it's right. Mrs Wolfe thinks that the answer is 8. So I've got 6 and I need to add 1 more. I think the answer is 8. What do you think? Okay, let's have a look. You think I'm wrong again? Oh my goodness, I need to get better at my counting. I've got 6. Now if I add 1 more, is that not 8? Should I check? Should I count them to make sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more is 7. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad that you are here to help me, guys. Well done. 1 more than 6 is 7. Okay, let's do 1 more. Let's try... Elvis, what number should I do next? I think I should go for a tricky one. I think number 8. Okay, found number 8. Okay, now I need to work out what 1 more than 8 is. So I'm going to count out 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to put my number 8 back in the number line. So I've got my 8 counters there. Now, if I add 1 more, what do we think the answer could be? 8 and 1 more. Should we count them to make sure? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and my 1 more makes 9. Great job, well done. And I can use my number 8 here and do 1 hop, and I can see that my number 9 is next to it, so that's 1 more. Now you might notice that when I'm saying my sentences, I call them as stem sentences. So if somebody says to me, Mrs Wolfe, what is 1 more than 7? I would say 1 more than 7 is 8. So I need to make sure that I'm answering in a full sentence. Otherwise, my brain doesn't remember exactly what I've just done. So let's try that again. So, Elvis, what number should I do? Oh, Elvis wants me to do this number. What's this number? Number 4. So what is 1 more than 4? Ooh, let me think in my head. 1 more than 4 is 5. It's 5. Okay, Elvis, can I have another one? I think this one. Okay, what's this number? Number 9. Well done. Okay, 1 more than 9 is 10. Oh, it's 10. I'm getting so good at this. Do you know what else I could use to help me? Let's use my numbers again. If I have my numbers nice and neatly like this in this order. Elvis, what number should I start with? Okay, Elvis wants me to do number 5. So I found number 5 on my number line, and I need to do 1 more than 5. So I'm going to get my jumping finger now, and I'm going to jump from number 5 to the next number because that's 1 more. So 5 and 1 more is 6. So if I have my numbers in this order, it's really helpful.